up, YouTube? It's me, Mon Assassin. I'm back with another unboxing. Wow. Another unboxing. Haven't done that like what? A few months ago? Maybe. So let's unbox this shit. Come on. Okay. Sorry, my fingers were in the camera. Skate 3. See the seat right here. I know Skate 3 is an old game. You're probably asking, oh, why you bought an old game? Well, first of all, I just heard of it from CNNers, Diction, Chill, Gold. I actually have their links in the description below. Check those people out because I got their inspiration through them into checking out the game. So I'm gonna unbox it. You see, it's brand new. Hasn't been touched yet. New wrapper. Let's do it. Feels like a new game. So this game is by EA, is rated T for teen. Okay. Team up, throw down. Welcome to Port. Parks created by other skate players. Don't miss out on being a part of. Oh wow, wow. Okay, and the rest of the stuff by EA. Alright, so this was my unboxing. Thank you for watching, and subscribe.